In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a blurry backup camera with an easy step-by-step guide. A clear backup camera view is important for safe driving, so let's get it sharp again. First, check the camera lens for dirt, dust, or moisture. Use a soft cloth and mild cleaner to gently wipe the lens clean. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the lens. If the lens looks clear but the image is still blurry, inspect the camera housing for any cracks or damage that might let in water or fog. Next, check the camera's wiring and connections to make sure everything is secure and not corroded. Sometimes, adjusting the camera angle can improve the focus, so try gently repositioning it if possible. If your vehicle has a screen brightness or focus setting, adjust those to see if it helps clear the image. If the camera remains blurry after these steps, the camera lens or unit might need replacement. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy car repair tips.